In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and reset pay runs using Xero Payroll. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, you'll need to log in to Xero accounting software. Open your browser and navigate to the Xero login page where you'll click on the login button. Once there, enter your registered email address and password, then click login to gain access to your Xero dashboard. Upon entering the dashboard, look for the payroll section, which can typically be found on the main menu or toolbar. Click on payroll, which will then lead you to the pay employees section. Here you'll see a list of your recent pay runs. Select the pay run you wish to edit or reset by clicking on it. With the pay run open, locate the pay run options menu. Click on this menu and you'll find an option to revert to draft. This action will effectively put your pay run back into an editable draft mode. Confirm this selection by clicking on Revert the Pay Run to finalize the transition back to the draft state. If you need to completely start fresh, scroll down to find the Reset Pay Run option. Clicking on this will prompt a confirmation message. Click Yes to confirm that you want to reset the pay run, effectively erasing all previously processed data for that run. Once in draft mode, you have a couple of options to edit specifics of the pay run. You can click on Selected Employees to make direct adjustments to employee information. This includes changes to working hours, pay rates, and any applicable deductions or bonuses. You can make corrections or add any additional adjustments as necessary. Another option is to reset individual pay slips by clicking Reset Payslip if the need arises. Again, confirm this action by clicking Yes. After making all the necessary adjustments, don't forget to secure your changes by selecting Save and Close. Keep in mind that you can always edit a draft pay run without starting from scratch. This feature allows you to fine-tune details before finalizing the payroll process. In summary, editing and resetting your pay runs within Xero Payroll is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can ensure that your payroll data is accurate and up to date, making your accounting and financial tasks much more manageable. Thank you for following along, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher.